Hello guys, this video is made for you to pair a new remote control for your Android TV device wherever you are on Android. So if you have, for example, reset Android TV, but you cannot have access to the pairing mode of Android, this is how it should work. This is working for the Ultra 2 TV, Ultra 2 TV Plus, Micro 2 TV, Ultra 2 TV, Ultra 2 Plus, and also the Max TV. So what you need is the projector to be switched on wherever you are inside Android TV, especially if you are, for example, in the language interface or if you are in another location. So what you need is the remote control, the new one or the previous one. You need also a mouse with a wireless transmitter or a wire mouse. It's fine, it's exactly the same. So or wireless or wired mouse. So the first thing you need to do is that if you have a transmitter like this or your USB stick, your USB mouse, you should plug it on the back where you have here the USB-A. So this is the Ultra 2 TV Plus, for example. Then you take your mouse and you should see your cursor going there, right? So what you should do is that with your mouse, you go to the settings. If you are in the language interface, it's very easy. You just go through the entire easy setup of Android TV. You select the language, you select everything, and then you should go to this area. Then what you need to do is to go to the settings, then to remote, and then you should see already a remote control. What you need to do is to unpair it. Then when you unpair it, you will have this message coming up, which is exactly what you will need to do and what you were looking for. This is the Bluetooth pairing function. Then when you have this, you take your remote control and you press the OK and volume minus for 5 seconds. And here you go, your mouse or the new mouse or the previous mouse is connected. You can see that now everything works.